I didn't bring the compass. We've got a brass compass we use to talk to the ley lines. So I'm pretty
So
sure.
they must have got water from somewhere for the kiln.
We've got a little bit of flashing on the K2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's like an irrigation
I just took a picture though.
That's all right, no.
No.
That's not from...
I'm just getting a picture of the deer. Show the kids.
I've got a camera set up on that little ridge over there, sort of filming us. And this little mic is, I've got a little amplifier on next to the camera so that the camera can actually pick up my voice.
Excellent.
So hopefully... Can you hear me?
Do you want to give us some Bowie while you're
Bowie.
Under pressure.
Under pressure.
Last time we were testing it, he was singing Bowie.
That's worthy of a shot.
Yeah,
Maybe Greg's standing there like a teapot.
I'm a lady.
That's it.
Yeah, that's cute.
Do we have any spirit who want to talk to us, who would like to talk to us today? We'll take that as a yes. Do we have any ladies besides Greg? Yes. Do we have any gentlemen? Yes. I'm going to count. When I get to the number of gentlemen here, can you cross the rods?
You're getting children as well.
Yeah. I'm hearing kids laughing. Do we have... Is Greg right? Is it children? Rhiannon just said, of course, Mummy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Is there 5 gentlemen here? Okay. Are there any ladies here? Yes.
I had the K2 going off down by the kiln there, so I'll bring it down a bit. Maybe see if we get anything.
I'll count. Can you tell me the number of ladies that are here? Yes. 1, 2. Got 2. There's 2 ladies. How many gentlemen did we get?
5.
Sorry, my memory's pretty shot today. You will have to repeat yourself, Spirit. I'm sorry. Do we have any children? Yes. Is there a young girl here who's 12 years old? Yes. Is there a boy? Oh, there's a boy all of 8. You're all grown up. Yes. Is your dad here too? Yes. Give me your name. Jack. It's very definite. Jack. Is your name Jack? Yes. Are you named after your father? Yes. Don't sound like my mum.
Oh, I'll pop him down over there.
Is there an Annie here?
Yes. Are you the 12-year-old? Yes.
Who's Isabel?
Isabel was the girl we met here before that Bronte was talking to.
Oh.
Isabel, are you here?
John?
You got a John?
This is John, yeah.
Isabel was the girl we were talking to last time we were here. She's the 13-year-old that lost the
Saying
baby.
that Annie. Annie's.
Annie.
Yeah.
No, it's alright.
Yeah.
I'm cheating you here.
Yeah.
I'm getting something about Annie, blondie hair.
Annie, do you have blonde hair? And blue eyes, thank you. And a kitten.
How old, Heather? How old is she?
Annie, are you 8?
No, I'm getting 8.
8? No, she's wavering. Have you just turned 9? Did you just have a birthday? And your mum made the cake? Was it a nice cake?
Is there someone standing behind me?
That's the Indigenous guy I was telling you about, the warrior.
You feel, you feel
Yeah.
someone behind.
Yeah. It's protection. He's roughing around. Turn around and face Rick, because he's right behind you. And you can talk to him.
There you go, just ask some questions.
Thank you.
We met him last time we were here.
Is this the elder?
Yeah. We had there's a old mine shaft up further. It's like where they've cut into the rock. And when we went last time, he actually pulled me up into the space where we were, because there was a Indigenous gentleman who had been forced to work in the mines, and there was a collapse, and they left him there. And he passed away because he wasn't classed as a person. So, and this Indigenous elder brought me and Price up to where the grave was unmarked, and we actually crossed him over, and I actually we filmed it. Put it on Facebook.
what I reckon that is?
So I crossed him into the light.
He's up higher.
Either during or not long after. Yeah. So we talked to Isabel and we
I
spoke
was
to
about to say there must be something in the ground that's reacting to it, but it's not at ground level.
He's moved.
And then you bring it up.
And when it doesn't. So it doesn't pick the energy
Where
up
your knee
lower.
is, Del? He's over here.
Nothing else.
No, right on your knee. Over a bit. There. Can you light it up for Rick so he knows where you are? Thank you.
Now that's better. Now it's flashing.
Usually Indigenous spirit call me it's in their language, but translated it means witch, because that's how they see
Are
it.
you part of the original people that were here? Light it up again if you were.
No, he's moved. He's between you and Heather. He's moving around. He's moving between all the women. He's making sure all the women are safe.
Are you looking after her?
Strong smell.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can smell it. You can smell it.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
And you know, a lot of it is what's still around, but the thing is, you shouldn't really smell what's still around after all this time. So what you're actually scenting is a lot of residual. Yeah, it's echoes.
And he's sitting up there with the kitten. She's up on the edge of the thing.
Hello, Annie.
She's watching us. She's laughing. She's got a black and white.
Interesting.
She got it for a birthday.
Did you work at the kiln or did you work at the reservoir?
The kiln. Someone's got a very deep voice. Do we have any Indigenous spirit with us? And that's how quickly it's running through.
Oh, it's going from 169 to 464.
Yeah. Is the Indigenous warrior wishing to talk to us? With due respect, I'll give you a voice. That's him. That's that dude.
Good.
Who wants to ask a question?
Is Jim there? That's Scottish.
Yeah. Are you from Scotland?
This also doesn't have music on it. It's purely a word bank.
Is there any Chinese that worked here?
Hi, Roy. Yes. Can the gentleman with the very deep voice give us your name?
Dennis.
Dennis. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you, Dennis.
There's Samuel here.
No. Weren't you after a son? Indigenous?
Is Simon here?
Yeah.
Did John work here?
Wait and see.
What are we waiting and seeing for? What do you want to show us?
Why is there
Aboriginal.
Do you like us being here?
Just flash that on the paper.
You do like us being here.
Did someone out here die of a heart attack? Not talking anymore.
It was a yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's what I thought it said. Not talking anymore.
Sounded like it, didn't it?
Don't you want to talk to us anymore?
Oh,
What was that?
Rabbit. Did you say rabbit?
Did you eat a lot of rabbit out here?
Did you eat a lot of rabbits round here?
And what, is that what he said?
Yeah, he mimicked you.
Rabbit. He said rabbit. Isabel, are you there? Hi, Isabel.
Last time we came here, we spoke to an Elizabeth. Are you still here, Elizabeth? Do you remember that we used the rods and we spoke to you? And you told us your story?
The K2, remember she was on the K2?
Okay, yeah.
She knows how to use the K2. Elizabeth, can you flash the lights for us again?
If you're here, Elizabeth, can you flash the lights for
Yeah,
us?
that's me. I'm Bethany. What do you want to say, Dennis? You don't know. Hi, Roy. Ringwood.
Were you happy living here?
no.
Who wants a cigarette? Rick.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got one. You can take it out of my hand if you like.
Yeah, all right then.
Yeah, all right then. Yeah, come and take it out of my hand.
Can you... Yeah, I don't know about that.
Oh, no, there's not much left. You got to be quick.
Ouch.
Yeah, ouch. You got to be quick. I think it's just
Roy?
about done.
Hi, Roy. Dennis, are you still there? Reaction.
I reckon we take it up to the platform and do it up there on the platform.
Is all
Give it a
the,
go on the platform.
all the
We're going to take it up. We're going to go and we'll turn it off now and take it up further onto the wooden platform. Are you going to follow us?
We got a bit there last time.
Hey, Rick.
Hey, how you going?
That's Roy.
Nice to speak to you. How you been, mate? Been hanging around?
Yeah. That very low voice I've never heard on the spirit box before. Never.
Is that Muddy the Elder?
Yeah, I think that's it. Dennis, are you the Indigenous elder? You know it, I think.
This is like,
You know it.
Yeah, you know.
No, it's
industrial.
yeah, it's a combination of like no, it's nothing like that. It's more like it's all organic. It's an organic smell, but it's one with things that familiar with. So it's like a combination of
oh, that one's going crazy. Oh no,
No,
that's
that
you.
was me.
Is that you, Rick?
Dust.
It's like it's sweet but sour smell. Musky. It's musky. It's musky, but it's got a real earthy, leathery.
I'm going to do a little EVP here.
Could be the blacksmith. Could be.
You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of when I was when you actually are at like a country show or something and you come back with a blacksmith here plus electrical shop. And this combination of the iron and
Blacksmith here.
Just wait till it's finished because you don't want to get any voices.
He's going to do it.
EP recording, Iron Kiln. Saturday the, what is it?
29th.
29th, that's 29th February. We're going to use this little iron kiln here to try and see if it's going to amplify any spirit voices. So if there's any spirit around, can you try and project your voices into this little cabin area here, and hopefully we'll be able to pick up your voices on the recorder. So we're going to go around and each ask a question, or a couple of questions each, and see how we go. The first question I've got is there anybody here with us?
My question is there a Jim or a Jimbo here?
Did a bushfire come through while you were working? Is Simon here?
How long did you live here for?
How did you get the water up to the furnace?
The flash then. Is there a John here? Was there a John that worked here? Simon, are you the blacksmith?
Was it really hard working here?
Was Jimmy the blacksmith?
Did a couple of you die of heart attacks? Was there anyone who died here?
NDVP. Oh, we'll play it back. EVP recording, Iron Kiln. Saturday the, what is it? Day 29th, that's 29th February. We're going to use this little iron kiln here to try and see if it's going to amplify any spirit voices. So if there's any spirit around, can you try and project your voices into this little cabin area here, and hopefully we'll be able to pick up your voices on the recorder. So we're going to go around and each ask a question, or a couple of questions each, and see how we go. First question I've got is there anybody here with us? My question is there a Jim or a Jimbo here?
Did a bushfire come through while you were working? Is Simon here?
How long did you live here for? How did you get the water up to the furnace? How did you get the water up to the furnace?
was Jimmy the blacksmith.
Did a couple of you die of heart attacks? Was there anyone who died here?
NDVP.
If you'd like to come forward and come up close to these little gadgets, you can set them off. Just to let us know you're here, you can walk up to them.
Oh, yes, yes.
There we go.
Dennis, is that you?
Is that you, John?
Is that one of the workers?
It's one of the girls. Dennis is standing behind me. He hasn't come forward.
Is this the girl?
Annie? Elizabeth? Maybe Annie, sure.
Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection.
Yeah, just wait.
Juby Lolly?
Disconnected.
Angus here.
Connected.
Sorry, he's not mauling him. I just can't see him.
Angus?
Sorry. All good. You want Juby Lolly? Rick?
I don't
There was a
think
Scotsman here.
Besides mine.
I've lit up a
Hello?
cigarette.
Who was the one who wanted the cigarette?
Who wanted a cigarette?
Okay.
I've got a cigarette for you.
Oh, yes.
Rick will hold it for you.
I'll put it down here for you.
Make sure it doesn't fall over. Come on. Thank you for the effort, they said.
Okay, got a cigarette for you. So if you want to come and have a cigarette, you're most welcome to.
There you go. Right there.
Okay, if you like a cigarette, come and take it. You want a cigarette?
You'll take it?
Yeah.
Who's the gentleman who smokes a pipe?
If you don't want the cigarette, I'll smoke it. Do you want me to smoke it? You can smoke it if you like.
You want Rick to smoke it for you?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Okay. Tell you what.
Dennis, what is it you want to tell us?
I'll take a big drag and I'll blow smoke in the direction of the meters, and if you like to smell the smoke, come and try and set off the meters, try and make them flash.
You can always, it's not like it's going to kill you. I'm not going to put my phone down.
Got a
Damn
little
it.
flash.
Did he miss you?
We've got a little flash. Shall we try again? Who's the smoker? Come close to the meters and set them up. You like smoking?
Des isn't smoking.
Who likes tobacco?
I'll put one
Hi,
leaf here
Dennis.
for you.
Does anyone chew tobacco?
Hi, my American friends.
If you like the cigarette, you can take it. Show us you're here by bumping the cigarette off.
Not off, just bump it.
Just bump the cigarette off onto the platform.
Someone's saying in the background, I'm like,
Would you like a lolly?
oh,
Got a little flash. You like lollies?
we got any kids who like a lolly? Wonderful, there we go. Dennis, would you like a lolly? I'm actually hearing barking.
down here. Okay, just move the meter. So come and show us that you're here by causing the meter to flash. If you come close to the meter, you can line up the lights.
Seems it's a mine. Are there any ladies of questionable reputation? Yep.
Yeah.
We got some ladies of the night. Just questionable reputation.
I think most of you blokes had questionable reputations, didn't you?
Yeah. How questionable was your reputation? Yes.
Who's related to Daisy?
Is Elizabeth still around?
Hi, Joey.
Do you remember us, Elizabeth? We came and we spoke to you with the rods.
Between the wood and the third one. Hello, my American friend. Yeah.
Alan, are you here? Alan.
Yep.
I'm here. Our spirits here too, like our past. Someone just yelled at bastard.
Alan.
Someone just said, who's
I
Alan?
had
And
the
he goes,
spirit tell
bastard.
me I was an asshole on the spirit box one.
Like our spirit, you know, our past over family members, they'd be here with us as well, would they?
Alan, are you here? Alan. Yep, I'm here.
Rick, how you going?
Hey,
So Robert, do you want to say something while you're here?
Flash.
So Robert, can you make the lights flash? Oh, go on.
if Sir Robert's here, I want to know what you got underneath your kilt.
Here we go.
Come on, we always have a rouse up.
Yeah. Yeah, right. That was very Irish, very Scottish. Greg,
Would you like a cookie?
we're talking between themselves now.
So if you've got enough energy, I'd like you to step forward into the middle of our group, and I'd like you to try and light up those lights. See if you can light up those lights for us, just to show everybody that you're here.
No, that was Deborah's phone. Who's Robert?
I feel something.
Is there someone standing between Greg and Zoo? Yeah. That's Roy. That's Duke. Duke the dog.
I've got a little flash.
He's laughing now. If there were ladies of questionable reputation, where did they reside? In the woods.
I thought he said in the woods.
Yeah. Why were they in the woods?
Maybe they're Aboriginal women.
Why were the ladies of questionable reputation in the woods?
Were they Aboriginal?
Yeah, yeah. The really deep voice is the elder, I think. Because I've never heard that before.
You got your potential in your pocket?
Yes.
Good. With some potential as well. And just see if sometimes the technologies
Drains them. They get tired.
drains them or whatever, and sometimes the lights are work the old school.
Who's Mark?
Pendulums work really well.
Were there any relations? That's in the old days.
Ancestors.
The sexual relations.
Back to sexual relations. Liaisons. might
Were
be a better
there
word.
sexual relations with the Aboriginal women here?
Yeah. I'm saying yes.
Well, yes. Look at that, straight away.
Were there many children that were from mixed parents? With all due respect.
Yes.
Were the whites respectful of the Aboriginals here?
Not really. Too many groups.
Circles.
Okay, we need another question because it's now stopped.
Okay, I want to know, were the whites respectful of the Aboriginals here?
No. That was definite. Do you know that we're here?
I'm getting a yes.
I'm getting
So maybe there was some.
Okay,
Yeah.
half.
There was some, that's what he just said.
Yeah.
Do you feel that we respect you? Because we do.
I'm getting a yes.
We did a crossing over here of an Aboriginal chap who was covered over after a bit of a mine disaster, and he was left and forgotten. Last time, I think it was last time.
Last time we were here, he just said that.
Yeah, last time we came here, we did that. We have a lot of respect for the Aboriginals here, and a lot of respect for the workers that were here. Can you indicate to us if the Aboriginals were used as slave labour?
I'm getting a yes.
Were the Aboriginals paid for their work?
Yeah, look at that. That's a yes.
Hang on. Were the Aboriginals paid
Well,
for
Yes.
work?
That's
getting a no.
really.
No, he just said no.
No, they weren't paid.
Look at that for a yes with those labourers.
I'll turn the spirit box off now, because it sounds like you're getting tired and I don't want to drain you.
It's 9:15.
I'm going to play some music as we walk up the hill. Have you got any requests?
Yes. Knees up, Mother Brown.
That'll do.
We'd just like to say thank you to the spirit who were here tonight, who came and interacted with us.
I do have chemical voices at one point.
And we bring lots of respect and lots of love to all the spirit that are here. And we bless you all that you actually do find a way to go home, to cross over and go home. And we'll be back to try and have a chat again to anybody else that remains here. But we'd just like to say to all the spirit that you do have family waiting for you, and that you can actually move and cross home. And we will help you do that next time we come here. We'll do a crossing over ceremony for you. So we'll leave you now with lots of love and blessing, and lots of thanks for any interaction that you've had with us.
Thank you.
Thank you for talking to us. We'll talk again soon.
Respect.
They were getting tired. I could feel the energy dropping.